Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. If you're a returning family member, please hit that notification bell below so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. And if you are new, like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam. Hit that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell so you also can be notified whenever I post a new upload. In this video, I will be showing you guys my best face and body products that have held me down from exfoliating to cleansers to body creams and lotion. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so first product that I'm going to be talking about is all my face care products for my face. So exfoliating. The first thing that I want to talk about is this St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This is amazing. Now, let me show you what it looks like on the inside. You can see the little apricot pieces. Okay. So this scrub is bomb for exfoliating, and it can be found at the drugstore, CVS, Target, Walmart. Yeah, so I'll be leaving the price of this. Maybe I'll make it pop on the screen, or I'll leave the link below where you can get it from. This is good. Now my high-end quote unquote dupe to this one that I love and I hate that it's empty, and I need to order another one, is the Sand & Sky exfoliating scrub, which is amazing. So you can get this one, which is on the low end where you can get it from the drugstore, or you can order the Sand & Sky one from, I believe their website is the only place that has it. I found out about Sand & Sky from my Ipsy bag last month, I believe, and I did a video on that. I will link that below as well if you want to see how it did on my skin, or how it changed the way that my skin looked instantly in one video. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is my acne products. So I get breakouts. As you can see, it's like they're not raised or anything like that anymore, but they were. Right here is, but it's going down. And right here was very big, and it left a mark, but it's going down as well. The thing that's helped me with that is this bad buddy right here. And this is going to be the Clean and Clear Acne Triple Clear Cleansing Clay Mask. And this right here works amazing. You can use this to spot treat as well as doing the whole face mask. It's very drying though, so if you do the face mask, you have to follow up with a moisturizer, but it does help a lot. This right here, so bomb, and I got this at Walgreens. I'll leave the price below, and let me see if you can just see it, and let me open it up. So that's what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, I really have been using this. I might end up having to get some more of this because I use it and my daughter uses it. So we run through everything we run through fast, if we like it and if it works. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is, another exfoliating product that I use is this one. I only buy this one when I can't find this, I will settle for this. But this is better to me, in my opinion, than the Queen Helen the Queen Helen Apricot Scrub. And this was $3.99. Let me see if I can show you. $3.99 at the beauty supply store. And for moisturizer for my face that I've been in love with, I love this stuff right here. You might have seen this in my when I prepped my face before I did one of my makeup tutorials, I believe. I think it was my drugstore makeup video. This is amazing. If you can see, it This is amazing. The reason why I like this one so much is because it really moisturizes your skin. It doesn't just sit on the top and make you look greasy or oily. It really absorbs into the skin. So this has coconut water, hyaluronic acid, and papaya enzymes. The hyaluronic acid is good that it's in there, but you have to be careful with hyaluronic acid products because they will dry. They can end up being drying. So hyaluronic acid brings moisture into the skin from the atmosphere. So say for instance, it's very dry weather or conditions, or you live in a desert or something like that. If it's not getting it from the atmosphere, it can start drying your face out. So just be mindful when you use if you use a whole bunch of hyaluronic acid products. So this is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisturizer, Face Moisturizer, and this is what it looks like. It looks expensive, but it's not. I remember how much this is because I done bought this and I swear by this. This is $10, $9.99 at CVS. And this is what it looks like on the inside. This is bomb. I love this. After I exfoliate my face, this is what I put on there, and it just melts into my skin. Now, I usually do this at night, or if I do it in the morning time, I will make sure that I bring my Evian with me in my purse, just in case if it gets drying outside, I can refresh my face with this. And this is amazing. I think a 2-pack of this was $16 at Sephora for the Evian water in the spray can. But this right here is bomb. You can get this at the drugstore. The next product that I'm going to do is my facial moisturizer, and that's by Pond's. This is for dry skin. This is bomb. A lot of people use this. It's inexpensive. I think I paid $4.99 from Walgreens for this. And let me open it so you guys can see. It's just like a cream. This one is good. You just put it on. A lot of people use this as primer. I just put it on my face regular when I feel dry, especially after I use this, because this can be very drying. But I think it's because of the high amount of I guess the strength of the product in here is so high, because it really does clear up your acne, but it's very drying. So you have to have a moisturizer after using this if you're trying to clear up your skin. But it does work. It's amazing. And I have sensitive skin, so that's like my holy grail when I'm starting to have a whole face breakout or something like that, or spot treatment. So I would say my alternative to this on the higher end side is this, if you can see it, it's Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. This is by Fresh, and this right here is it's little. It's the size. I got it in I came about this from Sephora. I bought something from Sephora, and they put these samples inside of my purchase. So when I tried it out, I was ecstatic. Like, this works so good on the little package that they sent me. So I bought this size, which is kind of up there. This was $17 from Sephora, but a little goes a long way. This stuff is thick. Like, you just dab in there, and I've had this for about, I don't know, like 3 weeks, and it's still a good amount in there. So the bigger one, the regular size one, because this is a mini, so the regular size one I believe is $40 something. I will put the price of the big one and the price of this one below, as well as maybe I might have it come on the screen. I don't know. I'm not real fancy with being able to do that sometimes. So, okay, so that's this. And then for body lotions, for body care. So this is the Palmer's Shea Formula Raw Shea Butter Body Lotion. This stuff is amazing. I like this, and the way it smells is amazing too. Back of it looks like I got this from Walgreens. I was trying to take this off, but it would have made the whole bottle sticky, so I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna leave it on there. You can tell I went to Walgreens to get this. So last but not least are these babies. Where's my other one? Okay, these right here are amazing. I bought this one first from Sephora just to try it out, and when I tell you this is moisturizing, it sinks right into your skin. It doesn't leave you with a greasy, oily feeling or any of that. And I've had this for a month, and this is the mini. So this one right here is $20. And then after I got this one, I was like, so what is the, cause this is one of the new ones that came out. So I guess this one was the one that was already out. So I was like, let me try that one out. Cause if the other one was so good, let me see what the other one looked like. So this is what it looks like. They all have these little tab things that you pull off. And that's the product. So I've been using this for a while. This right here, I like the mini ones because I could just throw it in my purse, even though it's kind of like the sizing. But this one right here, I didn't even know was more of a like cellulite tightening cream, but yeah, it does that. It does what it says it's going to do. And this one right here is super bomb. So with both of these, I love it. The big versions of, now these are $20 a piece. Each one of these are $20. But the big one, I believe, is $45 at Sephora, and it's worth it. Like, I will be buying the big version of this. And they have another one that's a purple color. I don't know what, maybe I might insert a picture. I might be getting that one too, and I'm gonna be trying that one out. And I'll let you guys know how that turned out, and if I like that fragrance in the formula as well. Now this is my face cleanser that I have been in love with. This right here, when I say it gets your makeup off of your face and leaves your face feeling so soft and so smooth, this is my holy grail to remove my makeup. First Aid Beauty did this. I don't know what is in here, but it says it's an antioxidant booster. It's safe for sensitive skin. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. And it does. It does. So this right here, I have been in love with. I will be buying another one of these because this is like probably almost gone. It's so light. But yes, I will be buying this again. So most of the products that I've been using has been skincare stuff because it's been so dry and windy. I live in Los Angeles, and the pollution from the air, it is just a lot. So you have to keep your face clean regardless where you live. And this has helped me tremendously. So once you get your exfoliant down, a face cleaner, okay, cleanser, I'm sorry, well, cleaner, and you get your face moisturizing down. So I had a lot of raised, I'm talking about raised bumps and everything, and I have been in love with these products. If you like videos like this, or you want me to do these more often, let me know in the comment section below, as well as what videos you guys want to see me post about.